Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
My name's Mary.
And I'm Michael.
Today, we're going to practice 12 real life English conversations that you can use in your daily life.
That's right. These conversations are easy, natural, and very useful for English learners.
So listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice speaking out loud.
Don't worry if you don't understand every word, just keep listening and enjoy the conversation.
Ready?
Let's get started. Conversation 1. Meeting someone for the first time.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary. I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you too, Michael.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just moved to this city last week.
Really? Welcome. How do you like it so far?
I like it. The people are friendly and the city is clean.
That's good to hear. What about you? Have you lived here for a long time?
Yes, I've lived here for almost 10 years.
Wow. Then you know this place very well.
I think so. I know some nice restaurants, parks, and coffee shops.
That's great. I'm still learning my way around.
If you ever need suggestions, just ask me.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem. Helping people makes me happy.
That's very kind of you.
So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy helping people learn English.
That's wonderful. And what about you?
I work as a graphic designer.
That sounds creative.
It is. Every day is different.
I like jobs where you can learn something new.
Me too. Learning never stops.
That's true. Learning never stops.
Exactly. Learning never stops. Conversation 2. Ordering coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning. What would you like today?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Sugar?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a cheese sandwich.
Great choice.
How much is everything?
It's $8.
Here you are.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
That's fine.
Please take a seat. I'll bring your order.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This coffee smells wonderful.
I'm glad you like it.
I come here because the coffee is always fresh.
Thank you. We try our best every day.
Good service is very important.
Yes, it makes people want to come back.
I agree. Friendly service makes a big difference.
It really does. Conversation 3. Asking for directions.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Could you help me?
Of course.
I'm looking for the city library.
It's not far from here.
Really?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left.
Yes, you'll see a big park.
I see.
The library is right across from the park.
Across from the park?
That's right.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it will take about 10 minutes.
Perfect.
You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Welcome back. Let's continue with more real-life English conversations.
Great. These are conversations you can use every day. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Conversation 4. Shopping for clothes. Excuse me?
Yes? How can I help you?
I'm looking for a blue jacket.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I usually wear a medium.
We have this one. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
A few minutes later.
How does it fit?
It fits very well.
That's nice.
Do you have it in black too? Yes, we do.
Really? Can I see it?
Of course. Here it is.
I like both colors.
Which one do you like more?
I think the black one looks more elegant.
I agree. It looks great on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is it?
It's $45.
Is it on sale?
Yes. Today there's a 20% discount.
That's wonderful.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Good customer service makes shopping enjoyable.
Yes, it really does. Conversation 5. At the doctor's clinic.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a headache since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I also feel tired.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not really.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Maybe not.
That could be one reason.
I think I've been working too much.
Have you been feeling stressed?
Yes, a little.
I understand.
What should I do?
First, get some rest.
Okay,
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
Try to sleep at least 7 or 8 hours.
I'll do my best.
If you don't feel better in a few days, come back.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome.
Sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves.
That's true.
Health comes first.
Yes, health comes first.
Health comes first.
Exactly.
Conversation 6. Talking about weekend plans.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Mary. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thanks.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do.
What are you going to do?
I'm going hiking with some friends.
That sounds fun.
It is. We go hiking every few months.
Where are you going?
To a mountain about an hour from the city.
Nice.
What about you?
I'm planning to visit my parents.
That's wonderful.
I haven't seen them for almost a month.
I'm sure they'll be happy to see you.
I think so too.
Are you staying overnight?
Yes, I'll stay until Sunday evening.
Sounds like a relaxing weekend.
I hope so.
Family time is very important.
I completely agree.
Spending time with family helps us feel happy.
Yes, family is important.
Family is important.
Family is important.
Absolutely.
After visiting my parents, I want to cook dinner with my mom.
That's a lovely idea.
We always laugh while cooking together.
Those little moments become beautiful memories.
That's true.
Sometimes happiness comes from simple things.
I couldn't agree more.
We don't always need expensive trips or fancy restaurants.
Exactly. A simple weekend with family or friends can be perfect.
That's a great way to think.
Thanks.
Well, I hope you have an amazing weekend.
You too. Stay safe on your hike.
Thank you. I'll take lots of pictures.
I can't wait to see them.
I'll show you next week.
Deal. Welcome back. Let's continue with more real-life English conversations.
That's right. Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. Conversation 7. Talking about the weather.
Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Mary. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sky is so blue today.
And the weather is perfect.
I love sunny days.
Me too. They always make me feel happy.
Yesterday it rained all afternoon.
Yes, I remember. I forgot my umbrella.
Oh no, did you get wet?
I did. By the time I got home, I was completely wet.
That must have been uncomfortable.
It was, but luckily I didn't get sick.
That's good.
What kind of weather do you like the most?
I like cool weather
Why?
because I enjoy walking outside when it's cool.
That makes sense.
I don't like very hot days.
Neither do I.
Hot weather makes me tired.
Me too.
But every season has something special.
That's true.
Spring has beautiful flowers.
Summer is great for vacations.
Autumn has colorful leaves.
And winter is perfect for hot chocolate.
I love hot chocolate.
Me too.
No matter the weather, it's important to enjoy the day.
Exactly. We can't control the weather, but we can choose our attitude.
I like that.
Stay positive, rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Conversation 8. At the supermarket.
Hi, Michael. Fancy meeting you here.
Hi, Mary. I come here every Saturday.
Me too.
What are you buying today?
Mostly fruits and vegetables.
Healthy choice.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
That's a great habit. What about you?
I'm buying food for the whole week.
That's smart.
It saves both time and money.
I should start doing that.
Planning ahead really helps.
Do you always make a shopping list?
Yes,
Does it work?
absolutely.
Why?
Because I only buy what I need.
I usually forget something.
It happens to everyone.
Sometimes I buy snacks that I don't really need.
I do that too.
Really?
Yes, chocolate is my weakness.
Mine too.
Well, a little chocolate once in a while is okay.
I agree.
Balance is important.
Yes, balance is important.
Balance is important.
That's a good reminder.
Healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect.
Just try your best.
Exactly.
Thanks for the advice.
Anytime.
Conversation 9. Making plans with a friend.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Mary. What's up?
Are you free this Friday evening?
Let me think. Sure. Yes, I think I'm free.
Great.
What's the plan?
Would you like to watch a movie?
That sounds fun.
There's a new comedy playing this week.
I love comedy movies.
Me too.
What time should we meet?
How about 6 o'clock?
6 works for me.
Perfect.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet in front of the cinema.
Sounds good.
Should we eat dinner before the movie?
That's a great idea.
There's a nice Italian restaurant nearby.
I've heard it's really good.
Then let's try it.
I'm excited already.
Me too.
Spending time with friends is important.
Yes, it helps us relax.
Life is busy.
That's true.
We should make time for our friends.
I completely agree.
Good friendships make life happier.
They really do.
Good friendships make life happier.
Good friendships make life happier.
Well said.
After visiting my parents, I want to cook dinner with my mom.
That's a lovely idea.
We always laugh while cooking together.
Those little moments become beautiful memories.
That's true.
Sometimes happiness comes from simple things.
I couldn't agree more.
We don't always need expensive trips or fancy restaurants.
Exactly. A simple weekend with family or friends can be perfect.
That's a great way to think.
Thanks.
Well, I hope you have an amazing weekend.
You too. Stay safe on your hike.
Thank you. I'll take lots of pictures.
I can't wait to see them.
I'll show you next week.
Deal. Welcome back. We're almost at the end of today's English conversation practice.
That's right. Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. Conversation 10. Talking about a new hobby.
Hi, Michael. You look happy today.
Hi, Mary. I am happy.
What's the good news?
I started a new hobby last week.
Really? What is it?
I'm learning photography.
That sounds exciting.
It is. I take pictures every weekend.
What do you like to photograph?
Nature, parks, flowers, and people.
That's wonderful.
What about you? Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What kind of books?
I like travel stories and personal development books.
Nice choice.
Reading helps me relax.
Photography does the same for me.
Do you want to become a professional photographer?
Not really.
Then why do you do it?
Because it makes me happy.
I love that answer.
A hobby doesn't have to make money.
That's true.
Sometimes a hobby simply brings joy.
Joy is important.
Yes, joy is important.
Joy is important.
Absolutely. Conversation 11. Asking for help at work.
Michael, could you help me for a minute?
Of course. What's the problem?
I'm working on this report, but I'm a little confused.
Let me take a look.
Thank you.
I think everything looks good.
Really?
Yes, you only need to change one small part.
Which part?
This sentence is a little unclear.
Oh, I see.
Try using simpler words.
That's a good idea.
Simple English is often better.
You're right.
Anything else?
Could you check the last page too?
Sure.
Is it okay now?
Yes, it looks much better.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate your help.
Anytime.
Working together makes things easier.
Absolutely.
Teamwork is important.
Teamwork is important.
Teamwork is important.
Great job.
Conversation 12. Saying goodbye after a great day.
Today was a wonderful day.
Yes, it really was.
I had a lot of fun.
Me too.
Thank you for spending time with me.
It was my pleasure.
We talked, laughed, and learned together.
Those are the best kinds of days.
I hope we can do this again soon.
Definitely.
What was your favorite part of today?
Honestly, just having a good conversation.
I feel the same.
Good conversations bring people closer.
That's true.
We should spend more time with people we care about.
Yes, life is too short.
Every conversation teaches us something.
Every conversation teaches us something.
Every conversation teaches us something.
I'll remember that.
Me too.
Well, it's getting late.
Yes, I should get going.
Take care.
You too.
Have a safe trip home.
Thanks.
See you soon.
See you next time. Let's learn some useful phrases from today's conversation.
Great idea. Listen carefully and try to repeat after us.
Nice to meet you.
Meaning, you say this when you meet someone for the first time.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Could you help me?
Meaning, a polite way to ask for help.
Could you help me carry these bags?
I'm looking for.
Meaning, you want to find something.
I'm looking for the train station.
That sounds great.
Meaning, you like someone's idea.
Let's go to the beach.
That sounds great.
I agree.
Meaning, you have the same opinion.
I agree with your idea.
Take care.
Meaning, a friendly way to say goodbye.
Take care. See you tomorrow.
Looking forward to it.
Meaning, you're excited about something in the future.
I'm looking forward to our trip.
Have a great day.
Meaning, a kind way to wish someone well.
Have a great day at work.
Now, let's practice saying them together.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
I agree.
I agree.
Take care.
Take care.
Looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
It's practice time.
Listen to each sentence, pause the video, and repeat after us.
Sentence 1. I'm looking for the nearest bus stop.
Pause and repeat.
Sentence 2. Could you help me with this bag?
Pause and repeat.
Sentence 3. That sounds like a wonderful idea.
Pause and repeat.
Sentence 4. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Pause and repeat.
Sentence 5. Take care and have a great weekend.
Pause and repeat.
Today we practiced 12 real-life English conversations.
We learned how to introduce ourselves, order food, ask for directions, shop, visit the doctor, talk about weekend plans, discuss the weather, shop at a supermarket, make plans with friends, talk about hobbies, ask for help at work, and say goodbye politely.
The more you listen, the more you speak.
And the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake is another step towards fluency.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident speaking English.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a like.
Leave a comment below and answer this question. Which of today's 12 conversations was your favorite, and which one will you use in real life?
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
In our next video, we'll talk about an important topic. Do you feel left behind?
We'll learn useful English while talking about feelings, life, and motivation.
You're going to love it.
Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson on Mr. English Talk.